Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of photography and exploring the essential gear every beginner should consider. Whether you're capturing family moments or exploring creative landscapes, having the right equipment can make all the difference. First, let's talk about cameras. As a beginner, a DSLR or mirrorless camera is a fantastic choice. They're versatile, providing greater control over settings and interchangeable lenses. Models like the Canon EOS Rebel series or the Sony Alpha lineup offer great features at an entry-level price. Don't forget to consider the sensor size. APS-C is a great starting point for impressive quality without hefty costs. Next up, lenses. A kit lens that often comes with your camera, usually an 18 to 55mm, is a good starting point. It's adaptable for various situations. However, investing in a 50mm prime lens is a smart move. Known as the Nifty 50, it's affordable and delivers stunning image quality and depth of field. Don't overlook the importance of a sturdy tripod. It's essential for low-light shooting, long exposures, and sharper images. Look for one that's lightweight but stable, ideal for travel and everyday use. Lighting plays a crucial role in photography. While natural light is fantastic, don't shy away from a good external flash. They're versatile and offer more control over lighting conditions. Additionally, reflectors are an inexpensive way to manipulate and enhance available light, perfect for portraiture and product shots. Memory cards are often underestimated but vital gear. Fast, reliable storage is essential, so choose SD cards with a minimum Class 10 rating for speed and efficiency. A camera bag is crucial for protecting and organizing your gear. Select one with padding and customizable dividers to suit your setup. Comfort and accessibility are key, especially if you plan on long shooting sessions or travel. Lastly, consider investing in editing software like Adobe Lightroom or free alternatives such as GIMP. They allow you to correct, enhance, and truly bring your images to life post-shoot. And there you have it, your essential photography gear to get started. Remember, while gear is important, practice and passion are what truly elevate your skills. So, grab your camera, capture those moments, and enjoy your photographic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Happy shooting!